Recently, even though Bitcoin has been consolidating, some layer 2 projects and established blockchains have started to rise quickly. A lot of DeFi projects are coming back to life, and the overall vibe of the market has definitely improved. Just like I mentioned before, when the price of Bitcoin rises to a certain level, money is definitely going to spill over into all sorts of blockchain apps and layer 2 chains. This cash flow will revive the whole industry ecosystem and boost the development of various sectors, including some of the older DeFi projects and established layer 2 solutions. Even old blockchain projects have a chance to shine again. Plus, Trump might be back in the White House soon, and his team, including key members like the Secretary of the Treasury and the Secretary of Commerce, is ready to go. They are all seen as relatively friendly to the crypto industry. Even Trump's son, Don Jr., is getting into crypto investments. He and his dad invested in a crypto company called World Liberty Financial. What's even more interesting is that Musk actually changed the name of a government efficiency department to DOGE. There are a lot of similar things, but I won't list them all. Basically, these signs show that the crypto industry could be the next big thing after AI. I'm convinced that by 2025, blockchain and crypto are going to change a lot of lives. In this video, I want to help you get in on this wave. But if you want to seize this opportunity, you need to act decisively. Opportunity windows can close fast, and if you're indecisive, this chance might slip right by you. So, if you've ever thought about diving into the blockchain industry fully, hey, crypto isn't just for programmers. I'm Gida, and on this channel, I'm here to take you from beginner to Web3 Pro. If this sounds like your kind of thing, make sure you subscribe and smash that like button to stay competitive in the Web3 space. Leveling up your skills as a DApp developer is the way to go. Head over to our homepage, and I'll guide you through every step of the journey. Now is the best time. Don't wait any longer. So, let's talk about how blockchain and crypto can change your life by 2025 and why this opportunity might be slipping away. A lot of people make a common mistake, thinking that if they just throw money into crypto and wait for the prices to skyrocket, they'll easily achieve financial freedom. Sounds pretty simple, right? But that's not the case at all. Trust me, as someone who's been through several cycles in the crypto market, I've seen way too many people make mistakes and miss out on this life-changing opportunity. They're either panic selling or cashing out too early, or even losing all their money. So the question is, what should you do? Just like I often say in my videos, to succeed in the crypto space, the best way to boost your income is to learn blockchain development. Why do I say that? First, blockchain is one of the most lucrative fields in tech right now. Experienced developers easily make 6 figures a year, plus stock options or token rewards. Just thinking about that income is pretty tempting, right? And second, having blockchain development skills will definitely give you a competitive edge in this industry. Finding new opportunities before others do is key, whether it's creating trading bots, using flash loans, or diving into DeFi. There are just so many ways to generate passive income with technology. Even if you've invested in crypto, relying on prices going up to cash out might still leave you a bit far from financial freedom. So, if you really want to stick around in this industry for the long haul, you need to figure out a way to steadily increase your income. Becoming a blockchain developer not only boosts your income, but also lets you work in a job that's both interesting and challenging. Plus, you get to live that lifestyle a lot of people dream of, working remotely and having flexible hours. Becoming a blockchain developer can really change your life in a big way. Whether it's buying a car, a house, paying off debt, supporting your family, or just making life a bit easier, it can help you achieve those goals you had when you invested in crypto. Investing in yourself and improving your skills is a great long-term strategy. The best part is, you have control over your abilities instead of being led around by the ups and downs of the market. Whether it's a bull market or a bear market, blockchain developers can make money. As for whether you should spend time learning new skills and improving yourself every day to take control of your future earnings, that's totally up to you. For me, investing in this is a no-brainer. It's what I'm doing myself, helping a lot of people reach their goals. And I gotta remind you, this might be the best time to become a blockchain developer, maybe even your last best chance. Let me break it down for you. Every time the crypto market goes into a bull run like it is now, the whole industry gets super active. Developers have doubled the opportunities, and all sorts of money is flooding into the market, especially from places like Hong Kong, Singapore, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and North America. Companies are ramping up hiring and there are plenty of arbitrage opportunities popping up. You definitely don't want to wait until everything is a done deal to take action. It's better to get ready before the explosion happens. I believe the real big opportunities are still ahead. And 2025 is definitely something to look forward to, but you might not have much time left. Earlier this year during the bear market, I spent time learning Solana development. It not only helped me but also allowed a lot of people to use those skills to create aggregators or tools within the community. Some even made their first big bucks by running out these tools. The opportunity is right there, the key is whether you're bold enough to seize it. For a structured learning path and developing Web3 projects on Solana and other EVM chains, make sure to follow our channel for more tech insights. If you'd like to join our bootcamp, head over to my Patreon. With a free subscription, you'll receive a Web3 project development learning blueprint, outlining the essential skills to quickly build your own dApp. See you there.